Two men from St. Catherine are among the latest victims to have died from leptospirosis. Jamaica Maitland has this update.
What was supposed to be the usual update from the St. Catherine Health Department at the Municipal Corporation meeting Thursday turned serious quickly.
We have had two confirmed deaths. Both were males, one from Linstead Zone and one from the Spanish Town Zone.
Deputy Public Health Inspector Denise Douglas says there are a dozen cases of leptospirosis in St. Catherine, 10 of which have been identified in Linstead.
Since the declaration of the outbreak, there have been 12 confirmed cases in the parish from November to present. And that's one female and 11 males. Two confirmed deaths.
Leptospirosis.
Yes, Your Worship.
Mrs. Douglas, like the parent Ministry of Health, is urging the public not to panic. The health inspector says it's not uncommon for a lepto outbreak after a hurricane or even intense rainfall. During a special press briefing Thursday morning, National Epidemiologist Dr. Karen Webster-Carr says there was a noticeable increase in cases 2 weeks after Hurricane Melissa.
There are some parishes such as St. Anne and St. Catherine, which week 47, but what we are seeing overall is that the cases seem to have peaked in all parishes. The leptospirosis outbreak appears to have peaked in epidemiological week 46. Males have a greater risk of contracting leptospirosis, particularly those in the 20 to 29 years age group. Males have a greater risk of death, and especially males 60 years and older and males in the 20 to 29 age group.
Since then, the number of reported cases have been trending downwards. Data presented during the press briefing showed that there was only one new reported leptospirosis case for the week ending December 6. Jamaica is now in week 50 of monitoring. As of December 10, however, the total number of suspected leptospirosis cases is 91. 30 have been confirmed so far. Meanwhile, the number of deaths is 7. Another 5 are being investigated. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.